Tired of endlessly scrolling to find your apps? Let's transform your Android home screen into a haven of organized efficiency today. First, identify 2 or more apps that belong together. For this example, let's say we have a few social media apps like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. To create your first app folder, simply tap and hold one of the app icons you want to group. Then, without lifting your finger, drag that app icon directly on top of another similar app icon. You'll see a new folder automatically appear, containing those 2 apps. Tap on the newly created folder to open it. You'll see the 2 apps inside now. Let's give this folder a meaningful name. Most Android phones will automatically suggest a name based on the apps inside, or you can tap on that suggested name to manually type your own. Let's rename our folder to social media. In this case, once you've typed your desired name, simply tap outside the text box or on the confirmation button to save it. To add more apps to this folder, just repeat the same process. Tap and hold the app you want to add, then drag it over to your existing folder. Let go, and it's instantly organized. Continue this process for all your app categories: games, productivity tools, streaming services, anything you like. This simple trick not only makes finding your apps a breeze but also significantly declutters your home screen, giving your Android a much cleaner and more visually appealing look. Master this one handy technique, and you'll be a pro at Android organization in no time. Happy organizing!